Hi everyone, I'm Steven with Longshore Boats. When is the last time you checked your trailer before a trip? We all know about the safety gear inside, your flares, your whistle, your life jackets, etc. When's the last time we checked your trailer to make sure it's safe? Let's do a quick walk around and I'm going to show you a few things to check to keep you safe out on the road. So we always want to get down and check our lug nuts to make sure they're all tight, they're not too rusted. But what I like to do every few trips is to get my ratchet and my socket and go around, make sure all the lug nuts are nice and tight. I also like to make sure I don't have any grease coming out of the cap. I like to double check my tire pressure and take a look at the brakes. Make sure they're in good working condition, not too rusted. A few other things you want to look at on the trailer. Underneath, you want to check your bunks, your carpet, make sure all the bolts are tight and secure. Let's work our way up to the front. Let's be sure our safety chain is on the bow eye. Make sure our strap isn't torn, dry rotted. It's in good working order. Take a look at all of our safety chains. Very important to keep the trailer on the truck. Make sure all of our wiring is in good working condition. These are just a few things to double check. You can make a quick walk around every time you take your boat out, but this is going to keep you safe on the highway. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at 843-216-4700. I hope to see you out on the water.